Hey, this is Steve, the other chopstick guy with your small bite for today, and I want to show you something that is so rare. Many of you have never ever seen it before, but it's a chopstick guy actually with a lens cap. I actually know where my lens cap is. That's something that's pretty rare. So if you're anything like me, you're always losing your lens caps. I mean, they end up in my closet, they end up in my camera bag, in my coat pocket, all over the place. So what I've trained myself to do is anytime this lens cap comes off, I stick it in my left pocket. That's right, my left pocket. I have dedicated my left pocket to lens caps. Now, I may have 15 lens caps by the end of the day, but I know where my lens caps are each time. When I didn't do that, they, like I said, they would go all over the place. But make that a habit. Take your lens cap off, always dedicate a pocket or a certain area where you know that's going to be, and that's where your lens cap will always be found. This was Steve, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite for today.